My name is Dawn King, and this is a presentation of my final group project, the Wiki site. I was the group leader in phase 1, and in this phase my group chose the topic Recent Advances in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, and I designed or built the layout for the website and partially designed it. Here you'll see a logo, which is a contribution from my group member Vitale. As I built the layout for this particular website, I wanted users to be able to use the buttons up here to navigate to each of the web pages, or choose the picture. So you could use that, or click the picture here. My portion or part of the research is artificial intelligence and machine learning. And in there in my research I explain what artificial intelligence and machine learning, what they are and how they are used. They are both a very intricate part of our lives, and everyone uses it every day in some way or another. Through my research, it basically helped me understand the differences between artificial intelligence and machine learning. Here we have the information regarding artificial intelligence, and anyone who uses a smartphone uses artificial intelligence. There are examples here about artificial intelligence, and explaining, of course, that artificial intelligence is simply a broad term used to explain how a computer or machines use or simulate human behavior and human thinking. There's an example here of how it's used, and of course I've used several references. I've located a website known as AI Now, which researches how artificial intelligence affects our lives. There's a hyperlink for additional information. And if you look here, there's information straight from the website itself. Machine learning is the second portion of my research, and here is how I learn what machine learning is, and that of course that it's just a very small part of artificial learning. Here's an explanation of artificial intelligence, and essentially it basically uses data and algorithms to provide a result. And over time, as there's more data, and it learns these patterns, it will provide us with better results. And here there's information, even an article in my references here, to provide information about machine learning and how we use it in things like spam and email. And that really helps us out. And of course, spam can really be annoying, but thanks to machine learning, our email can identify it and remove it from what we see every day. So we're not inundated with email that we don't want. But here is a website and a hyperlink for it if you're interested in learning more about the different types of machine learning. Here's a little picture here, a glance at the types of machine learning, and you can even roll over here, zoom in, so on and so forth to get a closer look, or of course use the hyperlink and go to that page. The computer vision recognition, speech recognition, language processing, pattern recognition, robotics, and machine learning. When you combine all those things, that's when you get artificial intelligence at its best. So again, using our smartphone, everyone uses artificial intelligence, and along with this, you'll recognize the things that our smartphone uses to provide us with the convenience of, FaceTime, or being able to use our phones to get on the computer and do Google searches. In 2015, there was a computer version of the board game Go, which has been around many, many years, but it's known as AlphaGo, and in 2015 it actually beat a human for the first time. I included a YouTube video here to view the information about that, but this particular video and the fact that a computer was able to beat a human at this game is artificial intelligence and machine learning, both at its best. It basically, over time, as it played the game, picked up patterns, moves, things that eventually helped this computer board game beat a human by predicting those moves and knowing which would be the best moves to make to beat the human. I want to show you the information here on group 2 on our group members here. That is me, Dawn King, and of course we have 4 other members, and of course they contribute to the website as well. And I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you.